How to create coupon codes and discounted URLs inside Thinkific. Creating coupons is a fantastic way to grow your following, to grow your list, and of course to grow your sales. People love a bargain, they love a discount, so you can sort of factor in a discount that you're already planning to give just so that it looks like they're getting a deal. Now, I know that sounds cheeky, I'm not saying this to be deceiving, but people really, really love that sort of thought of getting a bargain. So what you're going to do to create yourself a coupon code is go into your main Thinkific dashboard, go to Market and Sell, and there you will find the option called Coupons. Click on the coupons right there, and you will see here there's all kinds of coupons going on. Press Create a New Coupon, and this is where you start putting in your coupon details. So up here is the name that you're going to give your coupon for yourself so that you know who it's for. You know, maybe this is a discount you're just giving to me. So you could call it Sarah's Special Discount so that you know who it's for. Maybe you're appearing on a podcast and want to give away a course for a special discount. So you could say, you know, X, Y, and Z podcast special discount. Then you can choose how much you want to take off. So let's pretend I want to give 25% off. You can actually choose whether it's dollars or percentage. So if you just click on this little drop down here, I can say take 25% off and then a particular product. So I know this could be my concept to course program. And the code I want to give them is Sarah. So maybe I'm on a special podcast called the Sarah Podcast. So I can actually say to people, go onto this link and type in the coupon code Sarah and you will get 25% off. So if I press save on that, that is now in place. So if I give people the link, oh, one error. Oh, sorry, I already have it. This is cool. It says a coupon code already exists with that name. So I'm just going to call this, I don't know, Fred. Let's try again, shall we? Let's bin that one and call it Fred. I don't think I've got a Fred coupon code yet. Oh, it's not going to let me do it now, is it? Sorry, just refreshed my screen there. So I'm going to try the Fred again. Alrighty. We should be good. Okay, so that coupon code Fred now exists. So I can say to people, go to this link, type in Fred at the checkout and you'll get 25% off, and that will apply the discount for them. I want to show you another neat little trick, right? This is very, very cool. What we're going to do is go to the course that you just created a coupon for. So I've made a coupon for Concept to Course. So I'm going to go to Courses, and I'm going to get the URL of the course, and we're going to create a special discounted URL. So if I go to Concept to Course, this is the one here that I've created the coupon for, go to Share Your Course and copy the link. Then I'm going to go to a new window here for you and paste in up here the URL. Now I'm going to zoom right in here because we're going to need to see what's going on. Oh, it's not going to let me do that. I'll zoom in manually. What we're going to add to the top of this is you're going to add $coupon equals Fred, because that was our coupon that we created. So your full URL, $coupon equals Fred, right? You see there? $coupon equals Fred. Then we're going to hit enter, and you will see that it takes 25% off automatically. How cool is that? So what I can actually do is take that link and give that whole link to my students, or put it in my Facebook, or put it all over social media, or give it out in a link in an email, whatever it is that I'm doing, to give it to people and say, just click this link and you'll get 25% off my blah blah program. That's a much better way than getting people to rely on them to remember to put the coupon code in at the checkout. So there you go. You can either give them the coupon code and instruct them to put that code Fred in at the checkout, or whatever code you've created, of course, or you can give them the full URL by adding this special code, $coupon equals whatever your coupon code was. Boom, there you go. 2 easy ways to create yourself some coupons, coupon codes, and discounted URLs. My name's Sarah Cordiner. I'm a Thinkific expert, and I can help you set up your Thinkific account for you. Go to sarahcordiner.com/services to find out more.